Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure to watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, hopefully everybody's been watching my videos because I said this morning that they were likely going to get a pretty decent long today. Definitely turned out to be a pretty nice little trade. Now, it's pretty impulsive on the sort of time frames. If you go up to the higher time frames, like the daily, it seems to me like the last five waves down is over. More than likely, this is going to end up being some sort of a corrective pattern. To me, the Fibonacci retracement level that makes most sense is probably right here because that bottom potentially could become a top for another push down. But we definitely want to keep an eye on all of our Fibonacci levels. So the fact this is impulsive on the sort of time frames and the fact we kind of expect it to go up potentially a pretty decent amount, potentially at least a 61%, tells me that I probably would continue to look for longs on pullbacks. I would expect to see some sort of an overlapping corrective Elliott wave pattern probably over the next several days, probably all week potentially for some sort of an A, B, C, or perhaps a WXY or some sort of a flat, potentially up to the 61 or the 50% fib, and then maybe turn back down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.